So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting next on AUD USD, US dollar. If you take a look at this AUD US dollar, we are very much in an uptrend move. Market is definitely giving us an uptrend move, right? So if you take a look at this moment here, guys, once again, click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification. So when you take a look at this, you can clearly see a series of higher high and an higher low, right? That is what market has been doing. Then here comes the pullback phase. Market eventually push up again, which is you can see a series of higher high, higher low. Market pullback. Market give us this high again, which is an higher high that took out this previous high. Now market is currently on its pullback. It is currently from the pullback. So within this level here, we should be expecting a major reaction from this level, thereby markets will push up again to form a new high. So in your London section, once the market opens, look for your buy setup. Remember, only take the buy once you see the buy setup. Do not buy if you do not find the buy setup. Only take your buy once you get the buy setup. So once the market forms the buy, you can go ahead and take your buy, and that buy should push up till it form a new higher high. So a bullish move for the day is what we are expecting on our odd US dollar. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement that we've just done, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, guys. Click on the bell notification.